Hello guys, how are you all doing? You guys are highly welcome. So guys, if you have a full lace with no hairline, with no customized hairline, and you're wondering how you are going to customize it, don't worry yourself, because in this particular video, that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys. I have this full lace that I wanted to work on, but it has no customized hairline. So I decided to equally show you guys how I do customize my hairline if I get a full lace with no hairline. From one ear to the other of a full lace is normally 11 inch. Okay, it's normally 11 inches from one ear to another. So to customize this full lace, first thing I'm going to do is to measure 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch that I'm going to mark means I am not, my customization should not exceed the 1.5 inch. Okay, it should not go up, instead it should go down. Okay, so when I'm done marking out my 1.5 inch, so the next thing I'm going to do is to mark out 3 inches at a go. So I'm going to be marking out from 4 to 7, which is from 4 to 5 1 inch, from 5 to 6 2 inches, then from 6 to 7, which is 7 inches. I'm going to mark it as a go, like I'm going to mark 4 and also at 7. That's the first thing I did. I'll mark out 3 inches at a go from my 4 to 7, which is exactly 3 inches. So when I mark at 4, 4 to 5 1, 5 to 6 2, 6 to 7 3 inches. So that's the first thing. So when I mark that out, next thing I'm going to do is to mark out from now 5 to others, 1 each. Okay, from 7 to 8 1 inch, from 8 to 9 just 1 inch after I mark out my 3 inches. I hope you guys understand, but just watch what I'm doing, you will definitely understand what I'm trying to say. So when you mark out your 3 inches from 4 to 7 at the go, then the rest will be 1 inch. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to connect my first 3 inches. That is from my 4 to 7. I am going to be connecting it, moving down, not up. Okay, so I'm going to be connecting it, moving down. Remember, this process can also go for frontals. Okay, if you have a frontal I want to customize the hairline, this is exactly what you should do. So I'll connect it moving down, connecting my 4 to 7, which is 3 inches at a go. That is the center. Okay, so I'll just connect it like that, moving down. Then after connecting it moving down, then I will now connect the next 1 inch moving up. Okay, I move up, I move down. So guys, I move up, connecting the first 1 inch like that, and then after that I'll connect the next one moving down. Okay, then when I'm done with that, I'll connect the next one moving up. So when I'm done with that, the next one I am going to move down. Okay, so we are done with this first part. It's very easy. Just follow this tutorial, you will definitely get yours. Okay, so here now I am going to move up, connect the first 1 inch. After that I'll connect the second one. So this is simply just how you can customize your full lace with no hairline or your frontal. So if you know you got any value from this video so far and you are yet to click that like button, go ahead and like this video. Help me to distribute to your friends by sharing. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section and please comment. Okay, you are free to always request your videos. Anything you want me to make video on, do not feel free to let me know in the comment section. There's no how I will know what's in your mind if you don't let me know in the comment section. So this is just simply how you can customize your full lace before venting or your frontals. Okay, I wanted to work on this lace, but it doesn't have a customized hairline, so I decided to do it. At a point I was like, okay, let me use this opportunity and equally show you guys, even though I've already made a video on that was months ago, but that was with a frontal. So I decided to make this video for you guys to show you how you can equally do that on a full lace. Thank you guys for watching, and please do not forget to like, share, comment. Thank you. If you are here to follow me, please go ahead and do that. Bye.